Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In this guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually change your Facebook profile picture without actually losing the likes. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. In this video we're going to discuss that. First of all, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the Facebook app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, simply type in Facebook and go ahead and simply update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Facebook, you want to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that basically you are logged into your account. So in order to change the profile picture without losing likes and to get back the previous likes, what you can do is we're going to go to our profile page. To do that, tap on your profile icon at the top left hand side. Once you tap on the profile icon and go to your profile page, simply tap on your profile photo, and then I'm going to simply select profile picture option. Now the thing you want to remember is that you have the multiple options to choose a Facebook profile photo. If you choose a photo from your gallery, it is completely a new photo and it is going to reset your profile picture likes, and it is going to get some new likes and new comments. You want to understand that. However, if you upload a photo from your uploads which you have already uploaded before to Facebook, let's say this photo right over here, you have already actually updated it before, you can simply go ahead and save this as your profile picture. Let me just go ahead and show you. If I tap on it, and then I have actually uploaded this photo before as well, so it was saved in my uploads. I'm going to tap on the save button on the top right, and then you can see uploading your profile photo as well. Now I'm going to show you this profile photo right over here. You can see we have all of the likes and comments which we have received previously. However, if I show you and then actually I open my profile picture and then I select the one from my gallery, if I open the one from any of the photo from my gallery right over here, and even though I don't share the update to newsfeed and then I tap on save button, you can see that it is uploading our profile photo, but then this photo will not have any likes because this is a new photo. The only way to change the profile picture without losing likes is to obviously upload an old picture which you have already uploaded to Facebook before. That is the only way to do it. We hope this video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.